Kapor Kapatisi TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabar ri Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri kidi kitop medical colleges batru hakador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Uba reaching stand Siangshai, negashnong wapung skor is Jainti Hills District. Haka atrik naitung arajar arhusan. Uladawayo chairman ke district selection committee jong is Jainti Hills District. Ben ajing penshai haka biade barka advertisement bala penmi deka DSC hausnam arajar ka kandai. Ya ka ba ulakam ba ulayo ka copy link bak website. Haka biade bagajing penbena ya ka post LDA kam typist. Ya ka ba option penbena kat note liki post ki balad kuma jule bro kata hindre la shutho bet some post lani kat tu kat niki post pat sakwe pat ke deka post demonstrator GR1 klap penbena light liki post hagji kram khilar pathai ko bor nong ba shilong ba siang shai ulong bakat ko ngujinga jing tip jong u layat hu ba hadu menta yakini ki post bla penbena nado usnam arja ka khandai om pala satya ben pendam hadu menta Hagajo kapor ba siang shawra dawai ke DSC bekade banda penmenaru iki marks jengene kon examen hadi bola yo apdiang yega jubab RTI hakar artik ujulio arajar arpusan kabola pa ni jingtip hakabede bege jimpelong yeki examen thongkam na kabenta bon teliki pos
ya kani ba benta ka ba ngahwan brief kade ka jingstang tengah ka lok ka bahadi ki paipa dan ki kanta ki samla ki wakam ila mi shakmat keban pau yang ala ni tu yang ala ni George na ba kim snow chnan ya ka ni ka selection process for jom ka clear by the Barka district selection committee the ngala ya ka RTI la ai the ngala beri manuala ki katuk ni bila patai buat do ka YouTube news di national news ba ki mau por ba ki ki por balade nasional benar dek kali kata dalam kelong balai pamantri media balai baganika isu dapat peta kebaan nanti supaya ba bagla kata kebor kebama analyze ya kene information mangayok na ke district selection committee debat ngam sammi dan pawis supaya ba yang bagla kata kebor ba ide kene kalau kuni ke cikimu cuma ada pas kamu hari ini baganika adai kan anot dari babon babon anak pamansu ustaz ba kebanderon ka fair and transparent recruitment process apa ka district kebenta ka ba nungkong ngap awal ba hari bangana analyze information bangayo ba ngas yo ya intimation letter ka dated na ka office of the district manager balong chairman na district selection committee ka dated ka June arajar hausan ka ba Bentak ba engkau akan ni intimation letter kalau punya apa ni kalau punya to inspect the relevant documents on the 28 June arajar aposan. Dehame ngabung ba baik kata nasional pelaku no kani kita inspect yang lah apa tadi nama kecil sama file akan diu tadi Mei ya ada dengan apa mengenai akan du June. Dekat intimation ki ayah ngakat June bagi bawan inspect the relevant documents on 28 June 2025 which is beyond ya kata kalaitos ni ka time period ba unang apply juba udah ban yo the supply kene kabaan hangkane ka intimation ki thought hangne ba ngadei banwan check inspect quoted. You are therefore requested to inspect the relevant documents on the 28 June 2025 during office hours at the DSC branch office of the Deputy Commissioner of Jainti Hills District area as per your applications for finalization prior to furnishing the copies. Dan ka anong kumno sebelah it appears kumpa ini ba provide information yang anu PIO dan concern seperti ba provide yang Kata sentence to be used bakal tim pat finalize dan complete on their part ai kacintip tengah dari information the kacintip kabo ada waiting for my approval kabang ngahap inspectual nataban finalize balik kinong ati ai apa ya ka approval cuma ka information kacintip sa kadaiban ready penting yang akala ready desim ya ka kata gaspon habe dei barka kita Itu jangan kali ka jisna ko jangan kali intimation letter kalong practice is very wrong and improper and maybe illegal too on the part of the official providing this intimation letter. Kabaan, kaba main part yung attention jong hadin analyzation kalong bunne. Udon uwe UDSC member currently akanika katuganism ubasa select akawe na kipos bapiyay na district selection committee dengan brief kacak ya ke details jong kata une DSC member kami kan notification penting ba kini kita member jong ka DSC ko East Hills akan riu tarik Jun arja athaulai next ka advertisement pa na ka DSC kami kasau March arja athausau ke bakila bo last day kade ban apply kade kasan April arja athausau de yakan next part yakan notification kami naga office ng governor penting bisa ke district selection committee lembaga sorkat baiklah replace yang utau DSC member kade kasau Julai arja athausau ke next part ke notification kami naga DSC ba ka penpau ba uta ba julong court jong ka DSC ba besasan de wena post ba advertise kalong ka at me arja athausau dekadaw balik kerja kami resign ne sabar ne mula nanti hari kita nabar nakan keban panai kata ATI andi ngasa panai kata ATI dan ni kajing sing tojo ngaba insai balik resign ya kadai minta apply ka yo I don't know anything about that bang buat kani kadi tes kemang kalong ba kani ka working culture is not healthy keban kani ka DSC ban punta is not healthy balik. And it appears that it's just some kind of favoritism. Kanu kerkong kenta boleh aku ban select nanti subah ayo kadon ka jing dan liam urisan na kaya kadaro nanti kecikling aku what if is not selected apa urang DSC mabana do ada polai urisan menu nanti what if is not selected what if that for the just purpose what he show that he get this job that's the big question kecil aku kan pau hari day pada ni ka benta kejong way member DSC baca select kewen ke post pada advertise ke benta ke balai kedai hari day pada scholarship dan kita di market ke balai provide dengan ke DSC ke benta ke balai Malaysia di media ke kopi xerox kopi ngalah city bah kata ka scholarship dan ni pay undan way scholarship hang ni baka provide kopi atau chairman dari DSC hang ni kan tentang like kolom kawe kadai ka interview mark ka baat kadai ka written marks bakat total dak ka bakan tulang ya ka list jong kini kiba selected tangtung la supply ba the list of selected kalong kumne they attach with this the same name keteng serial wise di ayang ada ka mark dai ka jing telah ka bai bakan ni mark balik kadon tangka interview marks tempat written marks nama bah aku por baka di advertise hol di penpau tang bak kita kadon tangka ni ke babenta ke baki top ya ke exam kan ni ke subjek kata ke marks kunta tertes nowhere ke waki ong ba kandon kata ke marks ya kita benta jong kita kibe tes ke kita tes kalau yang tes kadon ke typing test su kadon ka physical test su kadon ndai ja barok ki post ba kemala advertise ndai don ki post ba kini ki test su bila sa pandang hoy kiklan penpau ni ka eka henry haka ne ka advertisement ki penpau hang ne instruction last part candidate must appear physical test typing test written test interview at his or own expenses tang kata ka ba pau hang ne habai de ba ki test nitip sai ng ba ki i notification nama ka sorka DSC kila penpau pa kedon kita mendai tang yakin ni mas final na bilang jong ki kalong kani kanis ka final tang kila penpau pa syai ja kini ka jingkeli jonga syai ja kini ki score na ni records jong ka language test jong ka typing test dan ka physical test dah ada ni paling confused membawa hati yang minta kijing bahaju pun samla dengan kumni nama tang syai ba ni ka notification ka advertisement tu is it a merit based stage recruitment stage dak tapi nakini ke bang no Dara kalong merit base kabamot singa tu ka merit base telah support adi don spell ki bala syak khot hakini ki one of these ya kadon language test typing test physical test. What if there is 10 posts 10 candidates that have been selected call for the next stage, which is the last stage is interview after conducting those tests which I mentioned. Dara kalong merit base kamot tang kita ki if 5 should be called interview depending on the ratio. Kajing subah kadon if on merit list kita padon sangut on merit wise bansak select ban khot sa next interview kajing subah kadon don nakini kibam base bansak khot if it's on merit list katangan sawat ATI bantik ka facts kata coba if it is on qualification based qualifying based recruitment process stage kabamut ka kata ka kriteria kala benta ka baking ong baka uno applicant candidate balas poh kata benta yo tadi ka physical test language physical test ban yo ban queue sa kata ka next stage sakot ka next stage kanu kalong qualification ka marks ne ka time ne nama physical test ne ho ya ka typing yo iba 30 words per minute te hang ni ka situation ka bangsai ka penlong ka doubtful namar balik kam don ka secretion namar blak conduct kita kita kam long shy there's no secretion ba beli akan ke final mark list ba kita iban yo te kajing subak long yo kadon manipulation yakini ki marks sebe yo kadon manipulation ka next ya ka cut off marks dan ka cut off timing ro kam don ra hanta ka next kebentar ke next part hakaba physical test jong tane kadon apos bakot physical test kawe kipenlong kawe kecaka kawe kelong kawe kecaka kawe kipenlong hakabaki la penti bakalong ha all DC office cleared hakata ka all office DC cleared untang ground hanga kalong surok ma internal roads na highway mana lecha DC office ke baring to tikjintip jonga bang kli na kitu kibaklay ki omba ki like physical test on the road kata ka way ka post bila hamta kan next na ka way ka post pat kipenlong ha detention room football stadium pada detention room kadai ka keteng chnong cakap physical test ka ba sa DC office kan long from starting point to ending point is different whereas hapo madan ka starting point ending point kihat ground para hangni ka kajing subat yo kadon manipulation hamadan baru kandidat yo ba apply akan nurang uno ba pon terkatai ke benta ke ba shut all DC office. I suspect that there is some manipulation balik au punta kanung kita kiba appear ya kata physical test kanung kita staff jong ka DSC la ne kino kiba benta kiba kilabo ban check yo kita don kerja dah kali dah kebaik dengan note bencana ya kata ke sistem kata kata full manipulation masuk spek yo kadon manipulation kata benta kan next part kumbala mi haka katu kane ki la thai kubor abede bat hakane ka advertisement don ka we ka post grade 3 ba pen mi ya ka post kateng kalong sectional assistant kabahang ni nam post vacant kadai the haka hapor baki pendapat ya selected candidate kimi live haka sectional assistant tengah cross check baru yok ki baklamo di mention ya kata post Henry cross check kade exactly one post extra te hantu ngang saya tani hoy haka ni ka advertisement mal ketahui ki mention number of posts may increase due to retirement or sudden death during the processing period. Tangga jingkeling abo ya kadi asi kalong kuning. Was there any re-advertisement or notification? Hagibedei bad ka change jangka number of posts. Did they follow the correct procedure to inform through the re-advertisement or through notification to the general public and also to the applicants? That is the big question that I'm asking, which the DSC should clarify, which I'll be putting seeking information on that through RTI. Baik, kapus kaki follow. Yak bayar dari barang ini bentar sectional assistant post connect. Kan long surprise, long I wonder. Nah kat jok kat long lada don if there is any selected candidates ha kebarok kini ki post kebala advertise keban long ki kebahagiaan asem jong itu kebah don ha kabor abang ha kabor do decision making of the concerned community who were involved in the decision making. I wonder if there any selected hoi kita don relative kebahagiaan kadon ka hok ka jong ki ban apply tangwa if the system will have been more transparent, will have been more convenient to the public if there was a transparency on this part, then there will be no suspicion or no doubt. Supaya ba dibisari baik ada list kebabaro dibaca select ke bangal ai pala cagla patai kebor keba kadon ke website kebala Indonesia to the public. Next di page ini ki marks jong kini kiba la kipen benar be a surprise for St. Hills for don't give na give district na give tentar na kami kaya tiba apply ni ka post kan kini tiba apply hadin jinton bok na hadan tiba yo full marks kadi tentes tiba yo full marks interview kan full marks tekan lang kababhatan ya kini tiba apply nama pe at pretend jong ki hang to pawi barong pengalaman pada publish mensuai ke concern department. Bak kini kepada bakwa ban apply ai bak in kendo yakin diberikan pan semua kuno be prepare panjo yakin iki full marks. Ne hang tu job don manipulation lani salin dan nanti which are seeking more information into that. Keba last kajang nur cuma kalau mbak ya minta ya barok kini di SC post bala debt but jak keba saben mi wat ke departmental ro ngansap kendo ba yo chairman ke DSC ban demand ba ki marks ki te ban pau kumbalong kani keba na office jong ka government of Meghalaya office of the Directorate of Health Science dated 38 June 2000 kiba pumi sekilat tai kubot hamni ki ai hamni bat roll number name of candidates marks obtained in written test, marks obtained in practical exam. Kuam berkat total kecil cuma kum kane pada udai panjang akawai ka examination. Lala kane ka follow ya rules. Balik kini kiwe DSC bat ya ka wait department jumlah pandai ya ka ne. Kata kali kecil kali. Dan pentak kani kang yo nama tak kecil meto jumpai pa. Ya kane ka department kalakan ai ngaruh bangala ain pa iki ngaruh barok kini ki marks bangala yo kini ki post kebala apply ngala sekilan tay bo apart from this analysis cak ini ati bang bang ayo katkum ka jintip cuma hakini ki katukan ismi kadon pas satu way ka advertisement jong ka DSC yang tay ko isen kya kaba house name ajar kendai reference number kalong kani kendai officially and somehow somewhere I got it online through the website somehow I extracted it. This should clarify the chairman with the deputy commissioner should clarify if this is true. Why? I've seen that ngai iya kani ka advertisement tak kajo kopor ngalai snyo nang tu nang ni kiba pentip yang hadir bagi yo ilang bagi latai kopor ngalai ya sakmat habe debat kanika RTI jong uniusna hamni kadai ka reference number EJHD/5/ADVP/2013/30 dated clear June 17, 2019. Tikumbak ngai ihang ta ka post bagi advertise kalong kumeng artili kawai kadai ka LDA count like this. Nampak ni berapa tak buat kacing klik yo pai ba kalau bakin advertise if this is true bangangan sampai ke RTI ban confirm ka day nampai entry ka indication kacing pentip sanga bat ani ka post ka cross match bakani ngayo la website online somewhere tangwa cross check na file ka RTI ban dik ya ni 100 LDA count type is number of posts is some posts not 1 2 3 4 5 posts some posts how some 1, 10, 15, 100 or ada DSC should clarify on this. Point number 2. Ka demonstrator JR1 kadai 3 post.
the kacintip tiba itu yang tiba apply ni post dia mah ada minta gampat dep yakani ka proses gampat clear pendet ya barok tadi stages jong kari recruitment kat kung ka jingtip cuma yang bagi jing tho jong kita tiba apply but tiba ada minta singdang menu kan mi kan result ki ong ba pedang ka stage in an advanced stage kemudian kebat sedang bila long advance sakat tu kan stage lah ong ba dia kadang tang sakat interview stage kum bagi ong even on only interview stage 2019 when was it conducted all of those interview man sawat atia hab pencai laki dep men kunde indre kat ong kacing tip bapa sama kalau hadu minta kadang sak kan keempat dep kacing keling apa nan si clarification now DSC yang chairman juga DSC if this is true why didn't it be completed till date where a DSC advertisement was done with this which have been mentioned pada jongka DSC he.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.